Chamanyi edikenzo yakuyozayoza nawe mu nsonga ziri.
Yes.
Muyozeyozeemuko.
Yes, I'd like Babanga Ndaba.
Yeah.
I respect you so much more right now. Thank you for leading the way, you know, or you've inspired a whole generation. And in fact, many generations to come, okulaba nti stanga gwe atute that akoze commitment otegera coming from somebody who has a history of being saying semyekozo and you know ghetto youth and all that and people thinking ekyo kintu so akikola because I kuba obulamu bw'omuyimbi aina access y'abakazi you know so it's very respectable musajja ogamba nti nze nnonze you understand nti nnonze nyamutoro you know it's such like for us as women we're sitting here and being like you know clapping for it and I'm sure even the male artists are like oh my god they're like so much respect for him right now. So congratulations. We are praying for you that the marriage lasts forever, you know. But just be encouraged, you know, generation yobambi inacho tulazeko. Thank you.
Naye stava yite. Teta.
Otegeza ki?
Abayimba abamanyi abayite ku mukolo.
Abayite.
Tewali otaza.
No, ayite maye bokola omukolo, labako bokola omukolo itabanno. Simbu bayimbi banno babaddeewo okitegeera so me I'm not a birthday me I'm a colleague okitegeera tulina buzibu with each other but we are colleagues not friends kati omuntu bw'aba abantu basookera ddala okulowoozaako babeera ki abantu babewaka because this was a kukyala kubamu just abantu bewaka so nsuubira bwanadda ku bintu nga you know the introduction wedding tuyinza okuyitiramu awo you know but still I wouldn't tulano ngambe nti nyize nti bampise no sisobola
musajja onagamba iso Nigerian artists yayita banne bonna they celebrated
kubanga kireka bo ba mikwano kireka bo ba mikwano see what I'm saying maybe that is why but also okuchala it's a very intimate thing tetulina kuyomberawo then those I will complain after the wedding that's when I'll say the wedding you know because weddings we come many of us so even me I can come you know. Yeah, so that's when I'll complain. But right now, all I have is respect for Edikenzo right now.
Full package advertising out. I like the video.
Thank you.
So, there's a Gwanga. Tekikyetaagisa kugamba Gwanga. For the sake of terrifying.
Yes. Yes, so the visual for full package is finally out. Abasinga tebakitegedde ne balowooza nti it's a form of copying other artists, but it's not. Ango yange yeno. I understand what people think. Ango yange yeno nti no, we as a star in Uganda, not just me, buli artist ali wano. The difference between me and an icon like say Beyonce, Rihanna, abantu webachoba Whitney Houston, Mariah Carey is opportunity. That is it. That's the only difference. Between our artists we're just as talented, just as amazing performers on stage. Naye kubanga tetulina the same opportunities Beyonce zalina naba abantu bonna ze balina. That is what makes us different. But otherwise, that's what I wanted to show. See, I can do the same shot that Beyonce did. I can do the same shot Rihanna did. It's just opportunities there's Twaula. And you get into movies as amazing as Wakanda. And you see instead of that queen sitting there, it is Cindy who's sitting there. So I want an artist, especially a young artist sitting there to feel limitless. There's literally nothing you cannot do. That's what I was trying to portray. Yes, and not the idea of copying. Nenga mwevale okuteka, we are trending at number 7 right now. Keep on viewing, commenting, and loving. Naddala okwagala bana Uganda banange mwevale nyo tuwagira. Thank you. Banange. Full package, 4 phase. Masanyalaze 4 phase.
Out of all that, ngatuzeko kusaidia ya chibina chotwale cha umma.
Yes, cha umma. Yeah.
The president. Abana bagamba balina sente zibawaayo nga bazisonda nga association. Sente zibaweebwanga. What is the truth about this money and what is accountability?
Twalina Sako, Sako ya Umma, which was headed by Mr. Hanson Balidono, and he was assisted by Zawede. Was his assistant. Now Umma engeri gye twagikola. As the president of UMA, you can decide either you meddle with the business of the circle or you don't at all. And me, I decided I'm not going to be part of the business of the circle because my responsibility is very nyingi. So it was being handled by Hanson mostly. So I would get at work and see him giving out money and stuff. So nalaba abana ne meeting ne mukunja nandaga proof wenga yenna mulina ku bintu byayogera and not just him actually bawera nga yandaga proof bwe nti batole sente zange sina kinafunamu bikine bansubiza kino nakiri nga paperwork yenna mulina. So nengamba mukunja the best way to do this if you actually want your money back is go to court because proof mulina sue the person or have some kind of case nti banaye kati ye simanyi oba just taina law eyo because artists sometimes tetwagala kubagana nnyo because enchato manyi kyekigenda okubeerawo kati ndoza yagamba manyi just kamalemu obusungu bwange muswaze wano ku internet male mbiveeko instead of going to court naye nga ye evidence amwina ne byayogera bituufu nabirabako No, alina ku reporting eno case. Kati as UMA we have a very good relationship. We have 4 lawyers about UMA, and they work. They're there to work. Naye omuyimba alina okujja koleki alope officially, but no artist actually wants to do that because the artist newe twekyawa. Muli mutima tayagala nnyo okukosa artist munne because enkyamanyi tugenda kwesanga mu angles ezimu you see what I'm saying. I think that is what is stopping artists from like going legal on these things because evidence you're not getting
Alima is sending these boys to federation to Eddie Kenzo
now because Eddie Kenzo and his team at the federation are registering individuals. They're registering. Ideally, I thought they would be registering associations, but turns out they're registering individuals under their circle. So Halima is encouraging artists register under the circle because there is billions of money that has been put there. I know about 5, but there's a room of 9 billion, So she says that there are billions of money there, so go and access this money. So that's why she's saying instead of complaining, you register under the circle. Oja kola ki ofuna sente eri oja kufuna kasente abubuzabuzayo afuna the quickest way out of this situation kituufu naye maybe kituufu nti waregisteringa wali ajja kufuna akajja because at the end of the day mukunja kyayagala si sente sente zayagala katolaba and the problem is I'm not the law. You see what I'm saying? Like I can say and yes I have the power to do that, but as an artist you have to agree to get on my papers for me to fight for you. You understand? So akulwanira mu lugambo so wenkuletera lawyer tula naye tukole ki tulwane the right way to do this thing si ku street you see on social media ekyo tekigenda tugasa at the end of the day kati yeyo that's a disability I have. Nti most artists are here. Ne wajja n'aloopa manager we nti yanzibye sente n'omuleetera mpapa ngamba we sue him agamba linda mwana so kolindeko so they get scared okusuinga bana abantu. They don't believe in the system of justice in this country kugamba mu mbeera eyo nnemerera okola omulimu gwange yes and yet I can actually do this. Serena Bata, she was supposed to be imprisoned. It's Uma who stopped it. For that reason, they cannot take her anywhere because as Uma, we came in with our team of lawyers and we said this can't happen in front of the police and whoever had come for her. And they couldn't take her anywhere. Even now, they can't do that because we stood by her. She agreed to sign a paper. But abalala bakyatidde okusayina wesegabyo nabinyuma mpaka omuga signing nga wanonga